Hello, I'm back, and today I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion on the YouTuber HunterFX. This is not going to be a reaction video. This is just going to be a genuine review on what I think of the guy. Stay tuned. So without any further ado, we are going to dive right into the screen here. So we have one of his most viewed videos, which is already in the front here. Go to his first things first. I'm gonna go to his about page. Let's read his profile. Price action based Forex trading from a professional Forex trader. I was able to learn how to trade Forex profitably within the first 6 months of trading, then double my account in the next 6 months. He doesn't give numbers for what he doubled. Subscribe to learn how you can do the same. So he's already telling you can do the same thing that he did by doubling his account. Red flag. I will be giving you a combo of entertainment, education, and real results from my own personal trading system. This isn't a regular dull Forex channel. This is the most lucrative Forex channel there is. That is wrong because he's clearly stated in videos that I've watched he will not be giving you any of his results, and he's pretty much stayed true to that. I have not seen a single portfolio in anything that he's showing or any of his videos on YouTube. So already he seems to be giving you one thing in the bio, but not really giving you the same exact thing in the videos. Ran into a bit of a problem with the web browser. I'm coming back now, so we're going to go to his oldest video. Alright. So this first video is how to become a profitable trader under 1 year, 6 months.
To my brand new, what is it called? Channel. Hello YouTube, welcome to my brand new channel. I'm going to show you exactly how I mastered Forex in under 6 months with these like this video. So in order to become as woke as me, you're going to need to hit that like button.
Okay.
So you're really going to have to appreciate those failures and know that from the failure you will grow and you will get better. And I already know what you're saying to yourself. You're saying, Hunter.
Okay, so first thing I'm going to look at, I want to see what this guy is selling in his bio. Okay, well at this point there's nothing for sale. He just has suggested books. His trusted broker is MyFX choice. Okay, we're going to do a quick search on MyFX choice. Let's see if this broker is regulated. It doesn't show any form of regulation that I can see. I'm gonna speed this up a bit so I can give you guys an idea once I find the regulation. Usually when you look for a broker, if they are regulated, they usually will have it the first thing on the first part of the page. So they're regulated by the IFSC. And that regulation is the International Financial Services Commission, and this is located in Belize. So his financial regulator is in Belize. Kind of weird because it is a UK broker. You'd think he'd want to be regulated by the FCA, somewhere closer to home, but I guess not. So we'll go back to this video.
I would much rather not feel the pain of failure and just rewards. That's tip number one.
Speed this up a
Endure
bit.
the pain and suffering and learn to appreciate it, and you're gonna have to make sure that that doesn't make you give up. Fast forward to January 2019. I started getting interested in Forex. Everything in the crypto space kind of started getting boring. Friends started dropping off. They weren't really around anymore. So I needed something else to start to learn about crypto.
Okay, so he started off doing crypto.
And I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, Hunter, you really started trading more than 6 months ago because you had the crypto advantage. Isn't that clickbait? Yes, but to be fair.
Okay, so he's talking about clickbait.
And then from there, it took me about 6 months until I was able to become.
I don't know if he's done any clickbait in his
One of the
videos.
biggest reasons I was able to go from such losses, losing basically everything within a few weeks, to making consistently 10% a month was my determination and the effort that I was able to put in. You see, coming from the IT background, I had a lot of free time sitting in front of a computer, grading even years down the line. Moving forward, I had met a lot of friends from the crypto before we can get rich. Oh man, hey, you're gonna not want to lose money right away.
So we're gonna go back to his channel, see if we can find another video pertaining to something else. So his oldest video, how to become a profitable trader under 1 month, the most lucrative Forex channel, how to trade a small account, flip $100 to 100,000. So already we see a clickbait here. Forex growth 100 to 100,000. We don't know what that is. Trade like a casino. Earn $1,000 per day. Let's click that one. So that already looks like a clickbait. Basically promising you that you could earn $1,000 a day.
And how you can do the same. I'm going to tell you exactly what was going through my head and the trades I took. Now, this isn't a one-off. I do this consistently. What is up, traders? This is it. I'm going to show you how I made $1,000 trading the Forex market today and how you can do the same. I'm going to tell you exactly.
So he starts off by saying he's going to show you how he made $1,000 trading the Forex market today.
What was going through my head and the trades I took. Now, this isn't a one-off. I do this consistently.
And then he goes on to say it's not a one-off, he does it consistently. So he's consistently making $1,000 a day in the Forex market. We're going to go back to his page again, and now, as we can see after his first video, he's doesn't seem like he's selling anything. Let's see what that is. Oh, he is selling something. So now this young man is apparently selling. If you would like mentorship or my book filled with 5 of my personal trading strategies, please join the Discord and send me a message. Alright, so after 2 years of trading the Forex market, this guy thinks that he can come out with a book that's capable of getting you towards financial freedom. There's lots of books out there you can find at the library. You don't have to buy his book. It's not doing anything different than anybody else. So he's charging $40 USD, okay, for a 30-minute meeting with him, and he's charging 55 Canadian. Okay. So that's another red flag. Anybody selling anything, you should be alarmed. Okay? You shouldn't be charging $40 for 30 minutes of this guy's time. He makes $1,000 per day trading Forex. Remember I said that. He doesn't need to take $40 from your pocket. So after not even 5 days into the YouTube stuff, he's already selling you something. We'll go back. Price action trend trading part 1, price action trend trading part 2. So he does have some good content where he's actually showing you and teaching you stuff. I'm not going to go into it deep. what I'm just trying to make you guys aware of is the selling aspect of the channel, right? How much money do I make trading Forex? Let's click that one.
Short answer, your earnings are unlimited. Long answer, I'm going to go into it and I'm going to break down realistically what you're going to be able to make as a professional Forex trader. And then I'm going to show you
what you're going to be able to make as a professional Forex trader. How much you can make. I want to know how much you make. Just like he said, the profits are endless. Go back, blown account. See what that one looks like.
Any trader in the history of ever doing anything, at any point, trading any instrument, has always, at least at some point,
sometimes it'll start a sentence, and I don't even know where it's going. I just took my friend a long way.
Pig just unarrestable. That's right, this video is going to teach you how to not blow your account like the silly old pigs out there blowing their accounts left, right, and center. I've done it. Every single trader you know that is making money or not making money has done it, unless they just started, of course. So the first thing you need to do to make sure that you don't blow your account ever again is hit that like button so that you can not blow your account next week. It's going to go hand in hand. Account getting lose everything. They have not prepared themselves. Because when I say that they are willing to lose everything, I don't mean that they go in there with $5,000 and they say, oh, I might lose my money. Be turning around pretty soon. It looks, I have a feeling, right? And then they're not really ever able to accept it. And every tick back in the right direction, they say, oh, this is the time. And
okay. So he's just another person giving you basic information that's literally out there for you. Like I said, you don't need to buy any information from this young man. All you need to do is just go through his videos, take your food for thought, and then leave. I'm not dogging his hustle. But at the end of the day, like I said, all the information that you guys are going to need when it comes to day trading Forex is all out there. There's no need to pay somebody for 40 minutes or 30 minutes of their time to give you what? Absolutely nothing. You're better off taking that $40, putting it into a small account, and finding a trend in the market and literally attempting to just ride it. It's 1 cent lots, 1 cent lots. You're much, much, much better off. So we had the $1,000 account flip episode 1, $1,000 account flip episode 2, $1,000 account flip episode 3. So he seems to be pretty consistent, right? But the problem I'm having with these $1,000 account flips is not giving me.
progressing in some way.
Doesn't seem to be giving me portfolios as I go through these videos. So he's doing some push-ups, shows me a few chart setups. Yeah, see, the thing is, showing somebody how you did the trade is very nice, but not showing any profit, even on a demo account. That's what I don't like about these traders. If you know you're going to be taking specific trades and you'd like to show profits on those trades, I don't see the difficulty in, if you don't want to show real profits, at minimum show a demo account and make it transparent that you don't want to, from what he says, he doesn't want to discourage people by showing his profits or boast about the profits he's making. So at minimum, do it on a demo account. Do exactly what you said you're going to do on a demo account and then post it. So at least people can see that you're actually making these profits that you're talking about. It's kind of hard to believe somebody if they're not even showing you anything. That's just me personally. If I don't see portfolios, how do I know that this is you really making this type of money, unless you're just trying to sell me something like every other Forex guru is out there trying to do? So that's another alarming thing. This guy doesn't want to show any of his portfolios. I don't blame him, like, you know what I mean? But at least show your pips. That would be amazing, right? MyFX book. There's easily you can show pips on MyFX book and you don't have to show profits. So he seems to do a lot of reaction videos. Like I said, this is not a reaction video. I'm simply just
I'm going to show you
going through his page and telling you what I think about what he's doing in this Forex market. So we have a $1,000 account flip episode 5. So he's very consistent. $1,000 account flip episode 6. Very easy to be consistent though if you don't have portfolios to back these things up. So you can go up to episode 12, even go up to episode 100 without even showing a portfolio. Doesn't matter. You can still say you're trading at $1,000. We don't know what it's at. We are gonna go to his. So his most watched video is this one, 82K. He comments on the professional trader, 17-year-old trading with Eds. Yes, I've seen that kid before, and I really like that kid because he's young, he's ambitious. I know his account is a real account, and I know that was a real account flip. And he hasn't tried to sell anything to anybody on YouTube. So that's what I really like about him. He seems to just really trade, right? Nothing for sale on this page, just motivation, showing you that you can take a small account and turn it to a lot of money. So let's see what he has to say about him.
100 lots with a 10K account. So I can see that this could definitely be realistic.
Yeah, well, the kid is going to be over leveraging. So I don't have to watch a reaction to a reaction. I think that's a little bit much. But like I said, that kid trading with Eds, I really like him. Exposing scammers. Jeremy Cash scalping strategy trading reacts. So he does this, seem to do a lot of reaction videos. It seems to get his most views. Why is he doing them? I'm not sure. Maybe to grow traction to his channel. Exposing scammers.
There is on YouTube. But there is actually a good reason.
So right now, I'll pause this. He has Eds. He has TY or TY Millionaire. He has Trader Nick. He has Jeremy Cash. He has Top Trader. And he has Daniel Savage on there. So I've come across every single one of these Forex gurus on YouTube. And I'm more likely going to do a small review on each of them as well. But just to say off the bat that I do like Jeremy Cash from what I see. I haven't gone through his channel. I haven't gone through his page completely. But from what I can see, he seems to be a good guy. Does sell things on his YouTube channel from what I noticed, which I really don't like to see that when people are selling stuff on their channel. Because like I said, when it comes to Forex, you really can't sell people financial freedom. It's absolutely ridiculous to think you can. People are going to try and buy it, which is the sad part, hoping to get to financial freedom. But what I'm trying to warn you is you can't buy it. You need to work hard, and you need to put in the work when it comes to the Forex market. So we got $1,000 account flip episode 9. So he continues it. And we're right back at the top of the page. So this guy started his account, his YouTube account 6 months ago. So he started in January. He's already at 20,000 subscribers. His videos seems to be very informative when it comes to Forex. But the things I don't like about him personally, I don't like how new he is to the game and how much he's trying to sell you. I don't think anybody this new has even came to the learning curve or the psychology of losing even thousands of dollars. Right, so he has a few affiliate links here. Journal I use. Okay, well that's weird. I don't see his mentoring service anymore on here. So that's, I guess he took it down. Let's see if I can see it on a newer video.
Reduce the size of your losers or reduce your losers. Just give you a couple tips.
He seems to have a new camera.
Charts here today, and just kind of show you some things that you might be doing. So make sure that you watch all 3 of them. There's going to be 3. They're going to be good. Let's do it. Alright guys, so the first one is that people are FOMOing into trades. Let's say that there's going to be a big spike in the market or something like this. I know you guys know that you're not
he's still selling it.
But you should sometimes still be
He's
doing
now
that.
just selling it at
an example of how you know when to FOMO and when to
HunterFX.co.
actually wait for a proper retracement where you're going to actually be retracing. Let's look at it. Alright guys, so this is going to be an example as if for instead of breakout trader or something like that, you can use it very similar logic in different means. But let's say that we were looking for this breakout here into this trend. We're trying to go back into the trend. Let's say, very put simply, we're breaking above some levels.
Like I said, it's always very easy to try to analyze this market in hindsight. What I'd rather see is his live setups, what he tries to tell people immediately. Live trading competition finals, live Forex analysis, Trader reacts, MambaFX.
So we see the bounce off of that SR flip. And then we wait for a retest of this. And I guarantee this is a hidden demand zone right here. If you look at that wick, if you zoom in on a smaller time frame, that's going to be a consolidation zone at the very bottom.
So, like I said, he seems to do a lot of
I've already looked at a couple of this guy's stuff.
reaction videos to the different YouTubers.
Very good at looking back at the market, what seems, and it's because you're not actually following these core principles, basically did here. I guess.
Yeah, okay, so he's talking about how he's very good at looking back at the market, but at the end of the day, I don't see this guy doing any live setups on his page. Huge profit live trade. We have one here. Okay. And why it's very hard for people to do live trades or like film themselves trading live. I'll be honest with you. At the end of the day, the market's constantly moving, and there's a lot of drawbacks sometimes. So when people are live trading, you're gonna literally get to see the reaction of the trader while he's trading, and sometimes behind the scenes of anything, it's not gonna be cookie cutter, right? It's not gonna be as nice as you think it is. So a lot of these guys on YouTube, it's hard for them to film their live trades because at the end of the day, there's so much that goes into it, right? So I don't know why he would be bashing anybody for not putting up live setups. It's almost impossible for anybody to, like I said, film themselves trading live. So usually what they'll do is they'll upload a chart of a trade that they did take, right? And at the end of the day, that's what I say to a lot of people. Unless you're paying for one of these guys' signal groups, you got to make sure you do your own footwork and try to become your own trader. Because if you don't, you find yourself following somebody, becoming a sheep, and once you become a sheep and anywhere you go, you're going to be herded. And once you're part of the many, there's only 5% of people that make money and consistently make money in this market. The other 90% either don't trade or they make money off you attempting to trade. So that's one thing you really got to keep in mind. If this market is in such an abundance, there's absolutely no reason why somebody has to waste their time trying to teach you or bring you to financial freedom. It's a waste of their time, literally, and effort. What's the point of it? So the more effort I notice of people trying to help people, you got to be aware of it. Why? Because you can help somebody organically if you're actually making money off trading Forex. You don't need to sell them a single thing. So keep that in mind. I'm done with this reaction video, or excuse me, I'm done with this review video. At the end of the day, I like the fact that he's giving people information on Forex. It's great. But I don't like the fact that he's selling anything. And you're going to notice that consistently with a lot of the videos that I do. I don't see the sense in it. You can't sell somebody financial freedom. The best guidance you can give them is information. As much information as you can. And a lot of the information is already out there. So it's nice to see that he wasn't selling anything recently or doesn't have a link to it. But he does have a website, which I'm going through right now. Does have a recommended broker. Like I said, his recommended broker is not regulated by the FCA, which I found a bit alarming. Because I think he is from the UK. So you would think he'd be interested in finding a regulation within his jurisdiction, but I guess not. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. I'm going to be doing another review on another channel at some point in time. But like I said, there's nothing wrong with this guy, HunterFX. Consume as much information as you can from him. There's nothing wrong with it. But steer clear from buying anything from anybody on YouTube. It's not worth it. And honestly, you're better off taking that money and giving it to a homeless person. Because at that point, it would have went to more use. I'm being honest with you. A lot of these courses, I'm not dogging all of them. But a lot of these courses are just compiled of free information that these people have taken the time to put together. So you get what you buy, right? You're not going to buy financial freedom, and I'm telling you that. You need to do the footwork, and you need to do your research and study. Study, study, study. That's the only way you're going to be successful in Forex. You can't expect somebody to bring you to the water. It doesn't make sense, all right? Enjoy, guys. I love you. Have a good one. And I'll see you in the next video.